Baik, thank you Pak Yusak. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished participant of this forum, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. As what committee asked to me about the topic of the discussion, today I will present about the small present, quick present about the working area bid mechanism. Okay, next. Next, please. Yeah. From this slide, in the upset of this slide, we can see that after releasing the law number 22, year 2001, for the gray color, we can see that in the year 2002, there was only one PNC sign, and then moved to 2003, became 15, and then 2004, 16 PSC signed. We can see from the below side that in the year 2004, as the legal basis for bidding mechanism, there was already released about the Minister Decree number 1480 year 2004, and then in 2006 we revised to become a Minister Regulation number 40 2006. And we back to the upside of this slide. From 2006 to 2008, there is a significant improvement about the amount of PSC signed. In 2007 become 27, and then in 2008 is the peak of the PSC already signed. There was 34. So I want to say that after we released the Minister Regular number 35 2008, this maybe we can say that the investor can get the certainty about the regulation, and then the PSC sign improve until the peak at 34. And then in the same year, in 2008, we know that that time is euphoria about the unconventional and CBM. So the government tried to respond what the industry interest about the CBM, and then together with the industry and the other stakeholder, we released the Minister Regulation number 36, year 2008. This is special for coal bed methane PSG. And then we can see from the blue color, this is for CPM. This is increase from 2008 to 2009. It's from 7 to 13. And then in 2010 decrease again, and 2011 is a peak of the amount of PSC signed for the CPM become 19. If we see to the gray color, we can see also that from 2009 to 2011, there was a improving of the amount of the PSC signed. So after that, in 2012, we released the regulation about non-conventional. So this is a kind of response the government from the Minister of Energy, Mineral Resources about the interest of the industry to explore the non-conventional. That's time we released the new regulation number 5 2011 to 12, sorry. But after that, there is no more into that 2013, 2014. There is no more PSA signed, and maybe in 2015 we release again about to accelerate the investment of the non-conventional. So by this, we can see that we have already several changes about the regulation of bidding process and mechanism. Yeah, this start from 2004. Start from the minister decree, become minister regulation 2006, and the last is 2008 for the conventional. For the non-conventional, the last regulation is released in 2015. But right now, after we evaluate about the regulation of bidding process, we discuss with a stakeholder, with IPA, with another ministry. So we have to revise. Right now we revise the Minister Regulation 35 to make a simplification, and it's very important we try to accommodate in exploration for the non-conventional in this revise of the Minister Regulation. We try to give more room for the non-conventional. This is become part of the existing, or it's possible to stand alone. And very important is also possible to make a cooperation with another parties. But right now it's being processed, and we hope will release in the end of this year. The next, please. From this side, the working area offering, we know that there is two schemes, regular tender and direct proposal tender. The regular tender is area prepared by government. It's come from internal study, exploration, FGDs. Recycle areas come from the PS determination or relinquishment area. And the second is come from speculative survey data. For the direct proposal tender, this is nominated by initiate from the company. This through joint study between government and the company. And we propose for the new regulation that for the block that an awarded nominated by the company is possible to directly nominate by other companies. We hope by this can make more attractive to this upstream climate investment. To conduct the working area offering, the minister established a team. That the team is a member come from ESDM, from SKK, from university. The scope of the team is first evaluation about the technical and economic for the candidate block. The second is assessment of the bid document that submitted by the participant of the tender, and the third is propose to the minister which the contractor will decide to become the winner of the tender. And every area that we will offering, we have to consult it to the local government, and it is mandatory from the regulation. And we can see that the mechanism of direct proposal give a contribution more than the regulation tender. We can see that more than 70% success become the PSC, compared to the regular tender, below 50% become the PSG. And the last is open data. We hope that after we release the minister regulation about the data in 2019, it means will make investor more interesting to make some evaluation about the data. In this regulation, we implemented about the membership, and in this regulation also, all the membership can access all open data, and give a room to make some reprocessing from evaluation, and then become a candidate to block to propose to the government. Next, please. This is a slide showing that the area of interest under direct proposal mechanism. So this is dominated by proven basin. This is such as West Aceh, Timor, and Cendrawasih Bay. You can see that from 2016, 17, 18, 19, until 21. This is we can see that most of the direct proposal in the proven basin. Next. From this slide, we can see that in the period of 2000 to 2009 bid round, most of the block that we offering is come from the hot area. It's like Andaman, Natuna, Central and South Sumatra, Makassar, Strait, East Java offshore, Papua onshore, and Semai. So we hope that for the next we can evaluate again, and we can try to find which area that become more attractive to offering to the investor. So before and the last, maybe I want to see back to please. Yeah. Okay. So I'd like to highlight that the important aspect that will give impact to the result of the bidding of oil and gas working area. One of them is a global climate. So it means we need to improve the term and condition. Yesterday we already announced the new acreage offering. We already implementing about the term and condition that already we improve. We apply the better split, better DMO price, better FTP, and there is no relinquishment area for the first 3-year exploration. So in the end of this process, we hope that by more easy access data can make the investor interest to come to Indonesia. Okay, this from me. Thank you, Pak.